So directly in front of the Hilton, you will find Soi Bintabaht. Now, I was here last night having a few drinks, and it was what you would call lively. I think it would get a YouTube restriction on monetization, so I'm not going to come and do it in the evening. So I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough during the day, just to give you an idea of what it looks like. Now, all these side streets are actually full of bars. There's so many bars here at the moment. So I came last night. It's the first time I've stayed in the area, and it was entertainingly busy. Everyone's getting ready for evening entertainment, getting all the bars ready. It's very quiet now, but it does really hot up later on. As soon as that sun goes down, folk have had their dinner, and this place is absolutely buzzing. So I came down here last night, got myself a couple of beers from the supermarket here, and just sat down and watched the world go by. All these bars are all open later on. It's very early days yet. And here we go. We are at the end of the street. So if you want an entertaining evening, this is one of the busiest streets. There we go. I'll conclude the video here. If you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. I'm new to the area, so I'm just vlogging it as I see it. And we'll catch you on the next one.